So for my fifth and final technology, I'm going to do Google SketchUp free. I'm going to type on select the first SketchUp. I'm going to start modeling. It's going to take a little while. This is directed towards students. I use it personally in my classrooms when I'm trying to transition them from 2D drafting to 3D drafting. So we go from AutoCAD to Inventor. I like to do this in our SketchUp lesson. That way they can kind of get a feel for the 3D modeling. This is super, super basic. You don't have to have a lot of knowledge in drafting at all. So it just gets them to feel how to look at 3D modeling instead of that 2D screen for AutoCAD. It does set you up with like a Trimble account, but you can just use your Google. It didn't show it. I'm not sure why. Probably because I already used it on this computer. It's just how you can save your models. It's not anything you can create or use any email. It doesn't have to be with Google. I just use my Google for school, so it's all there. So it starts with a man. You can delete it. You have your coordinates for Y, X, and Z shown in blue lines. Your lines, so your pencil. You can draw straight lines and stuff. And when you click and you start dragging, you can see when it's black, it's not dragging on any coordinate, and then it snapped to green, so it's on my green axis. I can snap on my red, and then I can snap on my blue. So it's kind of helpful for students too to see that. So then I'm going to just draw kind of a box here. Not going to be perfect. There we go. We have something called push-pull, which is more complicated in Inventor called extrusion, but I can push-pull this. I usually start basic. I want to go out a little bit that way. Start basic garage plans and stuff like that, creating something like maybe a little house or something really quick for students, get their creativity going, and they get to choose what they really want to do. So rotate this around so you can kind of see mine's not the greatest shape, but it was really quick. So that's why I like to transition with this, with Inventor being such a large program and it can be very overwhelming for a student who's never seen 3D parametric modeling. I like to get them into SketchUp to at least view that and stuff. And then you can save this if you really wanted to. And then you can open them from so you can continue. Students really like this because they can work in my classroom on my desktops, or they can take it home and do stuff on their Chromebook. So you can use it anywhere, anytime, as long as you have some internet. So.